House Bill 2610, providing protection of the rights and welfare of Filipino virtual assistants and online freelancers by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Labor and Employment.
House Bill 2611, providing for the manner of determining the ranking of the members of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of the City of Valenzuela by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Local Government.
House Bill 2612, providing for a 3-year specialization-focused college education in the Philippines and authorizing the CHED to allow flexibility to reduce college academic years by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Higher and Technical Education.
House Bill 2613, furthering local leadership and accountability in basic education governance to achieve quality inclusive education through the 21st century school boards and school governing councils by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Basic Education and Culture.
House Bill 2614, further strengthening the incentives for private sector participation in public educational institutions by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Basic Education and Culture and the Committee on Higher and Technical Education.
House Bill 2615, institutionalizing and strengthening the Arabic language and Islamic values education program in all public and private basic education schools by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Basic Education and Culture.
House Bill 2616, amending several sections of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Ways and Means.
House Bill 2617, further amending the Philippine Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994 as amended by RA number 9293 by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Civil Service and Professional Regulation.
House Bill 2618, amending sections 8, 144 and 225 and adding a new section 263B and 263C of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Ways and Means.
House Bill 2619, regulating online gambling in the Philippines by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Games and Amusements.
House Bill 2652, amending several sections of and repealing sections 177, 182, 186, 192, and 193 of the National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Ways and Means.
House Bill 2653, declaring a one-time amnesty on all unpaid internal revenue taxes imposed by the national government for taxable year 2024 and prior years by Representative Gatchalian.
The Committee on Ways and Means.